a predatory lionfish, on the hunt for shrimp and small fish. With so many places for its prey to hide, the lionfish has to be patient. This shrimp appears tempting. As the lionfish closes in, it fans out its fins to disorientate its prey. The hunter becomes the hunted, tricked by one of the shallow sea's most extraordinary predators, a clown frogfish. On its head, it carries a fishing rod, a modified dorsal fin baited with a lure easily mistaken for a shrimp. But when the fish stop biting, it's time to pack the rod away and move on. And for a frogfish, that takes time. Rather than swim, frogfish walk. Its fins have, in effect, become feet. It may not look pretty, but what appears to be coral living on its skin is actually camouflage. As every good angler knows, picking the right spot is important. Jigging the rod sends out pressure waves to attract the attention of possible prey. These dragonettes are certainly interested. Almost there. Hook, line, and sinker.